What a way to get your first victory para dito sa Sea Lions. At ngayon kasama na ng ating one less lonely girl on the sidelines si Francine Capili, ang ating CDO Best Player of the Game. Francine, take it away.
I am joined by CDO Lakas, Best Player of the Game from the 3HJC2 Sea Lions, Edwin Legayada with 11 points, 4 rebounds, and 7 assists. First of all, congrats po sa inyo. Kahit nakahabol ang kalaban, hindi nyo hinayaan na makuha sa inyo ang lead. Paano nyo po ito nagawa?
Siyempre, sa mga teammates namin, nakinig lang kami sa sistema ni Coach Ron Sag. Yun, nag-materialize naman.
Now, ano po yung motivation and inspiration nyo to play a really good game?
Siyempre, yung family namin, lahat kami, yun naman yung ini-aim namin. Tsaka para kina boss sa Jimwell, kina Coach Bong, kay Coach Ron Sag. Yun.
Ngayon, baka meron po kayo mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan.
Binabati ko yung wife ko, sila, mga anak ko, si Zasha, si Yuri, and Rafa. And shoutout kay Kuya Richie Melencio, pagaling ka. Love you.
Again, Edwin Legayada, our CDO Lakas, Best Player of the Game. Now back to you, Enzo and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, Francine. And once again,